Hello DIYers, today we'll be making a thing. A candy thing. Okay, we're going to be making a thing to put your candy in for trick-or-treaters out of this box. Hello DIYers, in today's video we're going to be making a candy bowl. Well, in my case, candy box. I didn't have any money to go to the store to get any bowls or anything for this project, so I'm just kind of using what I got laying around the house. So what I'm going to do with this box is first I'm going to start with cutting the flaps off. I'm going to paint the whole thing black, and then I got some fabrics and stuff that I'm going to be gluing onto the box. I got another one of those skulls with the light up eyes. I got some pumpkins I'm going to draw faces on, make jack-o'-lanterns out of. Basically, I'm just going to be kind of winging it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut the flaps off this thing, paint it black, and then we'll pick up the video there. Okay everybody, my box, I just took it outside to paint it. It's outside drying right now, so while that's drying, what I'm going to do is just draw some jack-o'-lantern faces on these pumpkins. Alright, I'm going to go check on my box and see if it's dry yet. Okay, so my box is painted. I painted the inside too. I'm probably going to line the inside with some of this leftover scar. I might do that. I don't know yet. Actually, I may not have enough. No, that'll work. I don't know. I might do that. Might not. Anyway, I'm going to set that to the side. Get my little jack-o'-lantern made. I'm going to pull this stem out because I'm going to put these witches' hats in place of the stem. It actually worked out pretty good. This fits right in there. I didn't even need any hot glue. I might go back and hot glue that later, but that's good for right now. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put all this on the box. And once I get a plan, I'll start the video again. Maybe I should start using super glue. Okay. I think they're stuck now. So now I'm going to glue my skull on. Right in the middle. Okay, so the skull is a lot flimsier than I want it to be, so I'm thinking maybe if I take these sticks that came off of these witch hats and glue them here, that would give the skull a lot more stability. Oh yeah, that's much better. And doing that, I've still got access to my battery door so I can swap the batteries out and my power switch. Okay, so now that that's done, let's see if I can put this in. Now for this, you know what? There's going to be candy and stuff in the bottom. I'm not going to worry about gluing this down or anything. I'm going to just fold it up a few times and just toss it right in. And that'll be good enough. I'm not really going to worry about gluing it in. Just to kind of give it a better look than having the flaps in the bottom of the box exposed. Alright. I'm going to just take this netting material and I'm probably going to actually just go around the bottom of the box here. And basically, the only reason I'm going to glue this, I'm going to glue this on. And basically the only reason I'm going to glue this on, I might even just glue it on the front and the sides. And that way, whatever table, if we sit on a table or a chair or whatever, we can just kind of drape it down across, kind of give it a spooky vibe. So I'm going to do that now. Now that that's done, I'm going to put this spider right in the middle. Alright guys, so here we go. This is the end result. I didn't have any candy to throw in there, but my wife made some yummy cupcakes. So I just threw them in. This would be good for, like I said, trick-or-treaters coming to your door, putting candy in them, or just set it out on a bar for a party and throw some cupcakes in them. Here's our centerpieces that we did in another video. And like I said, the netting material just kind of drape over the table. And if I had some lights to throw back behind there, that would be even better, but I don't have any. But anyway, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the like and subscribe button. Check back with me next week to see what else I got going on. Until then, happy DIYing.